out for a camp tonight, just pedalling out from the pub, just had a couple of pints. Solo one tonight. Back to a nice spot here in the trees. Been here a few times. It's just a nice little camp here. It's got a bit of tree cover because we're expecting rain and thunderstorms later. So I'm going to see about getting set up. Got the Rab Bridge Raider tonight. So I was going to tarp, but with the impending rain, it might be better to be all enclosed. Right, we're going to get set up and then see about cooking some tea. Set up, lovely little spot here. Sun's now breaking through, although it's supposed to be rain and thunder and all sorts of stuff tonight, so we'll see how that goes. But I thought I'd get a nice early ale watch in. I can just sit here and cook and relax a bit. So we've got an old faithful go ship and a go ship, and this Okapi, I think you pronounce it. It's a hazy one, quite looking forward to having that. Picked that up in Ely the other week in a nice little craft beer pubby thing. Oh shit, I think there's someone over there. There's a couple of people walking around the woods. I think I'm gonna have to lay low for a minute. Hopefully they'll just walking past. Oh. Who goes there?
None of your fucking business.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing?
Are you here to camp, are you?
Yeah.
We're expecting storms tonight. We're expecting storms or just rain?
They say thunder.
It does. Thunder.
Thunder.
We're 3 strong tonight. We've got a new man out. He's actually going for it tonight, aren't you, John?
Yes.
Yep. Lamb?
No, it's
beef?
Yeah, I'm having beef ciabatta.
Burger, John?
Yeah, Tennessee burger.
We have eaten. We're back to darkness.
Well, I mean, it's 9:15. God bloody no.
Can we just recap on that? So you sleep better what? Pants down?
No, hands down.
Ah.
Hands down my pants. No, we were just saying about how your brain is bombarded with sensors, and you do sleep really good in these things, and being outside is really healthy, I think.
Yeah, well that comes with multiple camp outs, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You don't do that. You don't do that on the first one, do you?
By the way, John, you're not going to do any sleep tonight. So
just explain away what a not a lady bower, lady pleaser.
If I turn
They're not actually called a lady pleaser though, are they? What are they called?
Widowmakers.
That's the one. Yeah.
So, Welcome to James Does Wild Bikepacking.
My bum stinks.
And I think I found the next possible widowmaker, or lady pleaser as we call them. I found this tree in the middle of nowhere, and it has nothing.
We're in the middle of nowhere. It's right near our tents.
I know, there's no leaves on it whatsoever. Can you see that?
Just shine it up there again, because your light's stronger than mine. Yeah. There's no green on that at all, is there?
No, it's like it's dead. It's like it's given up. It's confused, this is. Welcome to nighttime. Jamie Does Wild Bikepacking.
The end.
So as you know, and we're quite good about this, it's always important for teeth hygiene. We always brush your teeth. And you'll see, if you go back to watch all the other 156 videos, it's about right, isn't it? Yeah. That we always say it's teeth brushing time. Well, I'm going to put the little light on here, bit of emphasis. I'm gone for bamboo toothbrush. Bamboo toothbrush. I bought a pack of these little bad boys for $6.99, and they're made of bamboo, and they're perfectly good teeth brushes, but they're completely organic, and you can just chuck them in the hedge when you have them.
What are you doing in there, Bert?
Honestly,
that's because you sit on that mat.
yeah, I know.
See, if you start bringing a chair, you could have that set up.
No, it's only because
you could just slink in, couldn't you?
Slink. I've lost my pillow now. I had a really good pillow. Oh, there it is. I'm so confused right now.
Right, I think I might head off then.
Yeah, it's going to take me like 10 minutes. Little tip, John. Yeah. Might take you 10 minutes.
Don't go wild camping.
Yeah. Tell me right now. It might take you 10 minutes, but make sure everything's in order.
Are you in? I'm in. Anyone else? Is everyone in? I will see you in the morning for breakfast. We put the band back together. Morning.
We're not dissolved anymore.
No.
Well, you know what it's like. Summertime, you got commitments. You got family commitments and holidays.
Don't want any copyright claims. Cut. John's packing down over there. I think he survived. You survived the night, didn't you?
Yeah, just about.
Good.
No, I need to have a wee over here. I'm really bunged up. What a bugger. Yeah.
Goodbye.
Head start.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one.
Adios. I'm going to eat my breakfast.
Left no trace and all that crap.
I'm going to do something there so it looks like you left a trace.
There's a trace there.
See you later.
Yeah, see you later. See you soon. We go up to the log and then go down the...
Just have a little scan round, just make sure none of us have left anything behind. Leave it as we found it. I think we're good. Right, I'm gonna go catch them up. They're on foot, I'm biking, so I don't like a lot of walking, that old business. Nice easy camp that. Like that spot. I think that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you got this far, give us a subscribe and a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bloody walkers!
Take two. So Jamie, these are the funny one we do. Take this. Did you bring any breakfast? That's not funny, is it?
No, it's not going to work now, is it?
No.
And then I say, that's one of the most stupid questions you've ever asked me.
Crikey.